Hello friends, welcome to my channel UGC Resolution Notes. Today we'll see the problems in the database management system. So here there are only few formula in this unit. There is total number of schedules. So there will be number of serial schedules and number of non-serial schedules. So the total schedule will be, the formula will be n1 plus n2 plus n3 up to n. So the factorial by n1 factorial into n2 factorial into n3 up to nn. So what is n? N is the transaction. So number of transactions for n transactions. So total number of serial schedules will be equal to n factorial. So here total schedule will be this formula. Total number of serial schedules will be n factorial. Therefore, the total number of non-serial schedules will be what? It will be total schedules minus number of serial schedules to get the number of non-serial schedules. Formula from system software and operating system. Okay, so physical address space is the main memory space. So it consists of frame number and frame size or offset. And logical address space, otherwise called as virtual address. Here we have page number and page size or offset. So number of frames in the main memory. So it will be the size of the main memory by frame size. Number of bits in the frame offset is equal to number of bits in the physical address space minus number of bits in the frame number. Number of bits in the page number equal to number of bits in the logical address space minus number of bits in the page size or offset. So page size equal to frame size. So normally page size will be equal to frame size, and number of pages of a process is equal to process size by page size. Page table entry size equal to number of bits in the frame number. So number of bits in the frame number is the page table entry size. Number of page table entries equal to page size by page table entry size. Size of the page table equal to number of pages into page table entry size. Disk scheduling, rotation latency equal to half of rotation time. Maximum latency or rotation delay is equal to 60 by RPM, that is revolutions per minute. Average latency equal to 0.5 into maximum latency. Data transfer capacity of a track equal to, so track consists of sectors, so it will be number of sectors into sector size. Data transfer capacity of surface equal to number of tracks into capacity of track. Capacity of each plata equal to number of surfaces or heads into capacity of surface into capacity of surface. Number of surfaces into capacity of a surface. What is TLB? Translation look aside buffer. So effective memory address will be equal to hit ratio into TLB plus memory plus miss ratio into TLB plus 2 times memory. So what is the hit ratio? Hit ratio will be number of hits by total number of string sequence into 100. Miss ratio will be number of misses by total number of string sequence into 100. Formatted overhead equal to number of sectors into overhead per sector. Formatted disk space equal to total disk space minus formatted overhead. Recording density equal to capacity of a track by circumference of the innermost track. Data transfer rate in Mbps be number of surfaces into capacity of one track into rotations, number of rotations in 1 second. Average rotational delay equal to half of time taken for one rotation. Time taken for one rotation will be 60 by RPM seconds. Average access time will be equal to average seek time plus average rotational delay. Let us move on to the next unit, that is software engineering. So it is the formula here, basic COCOMO model, that is equal to A KLOC to the power B and T is equal to C effort to the power D. So what is T? T is the time in months, E is the effort in person months. A, B, C, D are constants. So persons required will be equal to effort by time and productivity will be equal to size in KLOC by effort. So effort equal to size by productivity. What is size? Size will be the estimated number of lines of code. What is cyclomatic complexity? So you can define in three types. That is cyclomatic complexity is described by V of G. V of G equal to P plus 1, that is number of predicate nodes plus 1. V of G equal to E minus N plus 2 by E sum of edges, N is the number of nodes. V of G equal to number of bounded regions plus 1 unbounded. So we can express cyclomatic complexity by these terms. Software availability. So what is software availability? It is the mean time between failure, MTBF, by mean time between failure plus mean time to repair, MTTR, into 100. So MTBF by MTBF plus MTTR into 100. MTBF is mean time between failures, MTTR is mean time to repair. Next, maturity index. So maturity index equal to total modules before minus X by total modules before. So what is X? X is the number of modules changed. That is, it can be number of modules added, modified or deleted. So with this, software engineering formula is over. See you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.